The TOYDIY2 is the world's first 4-function 3D printer that turns any workspace into a manufacturing center. The TOYDIY2 can flawlessly perform complicated 1- or 2-color prints. It is also equipped with a CNC carver for plastic projects and a laser etcher for beautiful etching or engraving. Building on the success of the TOYDIY, the TOYDIY2 guarantees quality and function. With our quick change toolhead system, toolheads can be changed in as little as 30 seconds. The TOYDIY2 makes auto leveling easier than ever. Using 2 sensors on the nozzle, the printer will automatically level itself in seconds before starting your print. Once initialized, the TOYDIY2 can produce high-resolution prints. By using our patented stainless high-pressure print nozzle, residue is reduced drastically. There is virtually no cleanup time after the print is complete. The TOYDIY2 comes from an award-winning 3D printing research and development team that has worked for years to develop this second-generation printer. Its unique 4-function system optimizes time, space, and money, making it the ultimate 3D printing solution.